Wherever machines and assembly systems are illuminated over large areas, luminaires from the Field LED series provide the ideal solution. There are two widths available in different lengths. The resistance of Field LED lights to oil, coolants, lubricants, and chip impact is unrivaled. The lights have protection class IP69K. This results from the consistent impermeability, from the computer-controlled adhesive seams to the cable entry with Viton seal. Special protection is required in areas where high pressure, humidity, or temperatures prevail. The light has impressive quality and a color rendering index greater than 85, making the illuminated objects look natural. All components are extremely robust and indestructible. The aluminum housing as well as the impact-resistant single-pane safety glass. The lamella structure ensures perfect heat dissipation. This extends the service life of the high-performance LED. An important detail, the glare is reduced by microprisms and light-forming technology. Typical LED2WORK, lights that do their job reliably and remain inconspicuous in the background, although they actually look pretty good. But it's about your workplace, your work piece. That's what you want to see. That's what we illuminate.